Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to see 11th Max. Already we are doing the topic, we have finished set, then we finished relation, then we came to last one is function. So this function we are going to discuss here. Okay. So this function we are going to see in this case now. Now you can see function means what? Definition of function is what here they are saying that you need to understand. That is, they are saying that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. There exists A comma B belongs to F. Also, and A belongs to C belongs to F, such that B equal to C. This is a function. Definition of the function. But if you go in this way, you won't understand anything. So for that they are saying that B and C should be one and same. They are saying this is the definition they are saying. But I need not to go like this way. I want to do in some other different bit way. What that one means, you can see here two things is very important. I'll tell you, if it is A, B, C is there, and here 1, 2, 3 is there. This is A, B, C, and this is 1, 2, 3. This is A, this is B. Again A, this is B. Now A is mapping to 1 and B is mapping to 3. C is not having image, that you keep it in mind. Having image. Next one, A is mapping to 1, A is mapping to 2, B is mapping to 3, and C is mapping to 2. You can see A is having 2 image. You can see C is not having image. Here A is having 2 images. If it is having nothing or having more, in both the cases these two are not a function. It is not a function. It is just relation. It is just like a relation, nothing else we are having. Okay, so that you keep it in mind. Next one, representation of function is function. It's very important. We are having tabular form is one. Another, we can say it's a analytical form, we can say. These are the two are very important. Another third one is graphical, we can say. These are the 3 ways we can say. Tabular form means surely there will be what? X and Y. This value will be, corresponding value will be there. You can see the corresponding X value will be there in the table. Like this will come, or we can say order pair also X comma Y. Likewise the point will be. Analytical way means the function will be like this: f of x equals to x square if x value lies between 1 and 10, and 1 minus x if x value lies greater than 10, greater than or equal to less than infinite. Likewise is coming. Now this is we called as an analytical way. Graphical way means diagram itself. It will be like this, or that in this form is there. Now we will say it is a what we can say, it is a graphical way, we can say. In this 3 way we can represent any type of function, so that you keep it in mind. Now next we will go to the types of functions. We have types of function. So what this types of function means? Types of function, we are saying it's a types of function. What is the types of function means? We have identical function. What this identical function means? For example, domain A 1, 2, 3 is there, and codomain B 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1 will map to 1, 2 will map to 2, 3. Same thing. F of x equals to x will say is a identical function. Same thing. 1 na 1, 2 na 2, 3 identical. That we called as identical function. Next we have constant function. Next we are having constant function. What this constant function means? For example, here 1, 2, 3 is there. Here I am having A, B, C. A map to 1 map to B, 2 map to B, 3 everything is mapping to what? B only. So if it is mapping to B, then we will say it's a constant function. How it will be now? F of x equal to k, we will say, where k is a constant. K is a constant. Now you can see, if it is this k value turns to 0, that is k equal to 0 now, then f of x equals to what will come? 0. Then we call it as a 0 function. We call it as a 0 function. Everything is mapping to 0. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, and here it is what? 1, 0. Some value will be there, but 1 map to 0, 2 map to 0, 3 map to 0. Then we call it as a 0 function, we can say. Okay, we have few more functions like modulus function. We are having modulus function. Modulus means only, or we can say magnitude also, but we are not using this word. So magnitude. For example, f of, how it will be now? F of x equal to mod x. Mod x, if you give plus value, then also, for example, f of 1 means mod 1. Mod 1 means 1 only. F of minus 1, then also mod minus 1, answer is 1 only. So which means that if you give plus 1 also will come 1, minus 1 also will come 1. So if you draw the diagram, it will be like this. Like it will be above the x-axis only. It won't go below, because here minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will be there. It will go. It won't come in this space. That's why we are saying it's a modulus. Only positive will come. That is nothing but modulus function. Next we have greatest integer function. We have greatest integer function. We are saying. How it will be now? F of x equals to, for example, like this square bracket, x will come. What it will do actually, here what you will do? Positive na, positive, negative na, also what will come? Positive here. But in this greatest function, decimal part will be excluded. For example, x equal to 1.1 na, then f of 1.1 in greatest integer function, that is greatest 1.1 na, the answer will come 1 only. If x equals to 1.9, then also f of 1.9, that value square bracket 1.9, that you will round it off now, 1 only will come. In both the cases, you give 1.1 or near to 2, both the value is 1 only. If you draw this diagram, it will be like step, like this will come. So like this steps will come. That's why we'll say this greatest integer function also, step function also we can say. Step function also we can say for this one. Okay, these are all so many types are there. We will see in the later. Now we will discuss about 4 important types of function. What's that one? 1 1, 1 to 1 we'll say. It's not here I have written 1 to 1 function. Next one is many to 1. This is many to 1 we can say. And the next one we have, I'm writing here, on to, we can say, or we can say into. This is very very important 4 concept we must know. See, 1 1 means, what does mean 1 1 means? For example, I'm having here, so carefully, this is A, B, domain and codomain. So 1 2 3 is there, A, B, C is there. So 1 is mapping to B, 2 is mapping to A, 3 is mapping to. First you say it is a function, right? Because each and every element in domain is having images. No, it's not having images also, no, is not there. More than 2 images or more than 1 image is also is not there. Therefore it's a function. But here each and every element, 1 is B only, 2 is A only, 3 is C only. Therefore we will say it's a unique image. Unique image. That's why we will say 1 to 1. One element you have taken now, one element will be here. So corresponding. So that is nothing but 1 1. Many 1 now. 1 2 3 again. A, B, C. Now 1 is mapping to A, 2 is mapping to B, and 3 is mapping to, like this. Now you can see 1 and 2 is having the same image A. 1 and 2 having same image A. Isn't it or not? Therefore many, that is 2 elements having same image. That's why we are saying it's a many to 1. Okay, now come back to on to. On to means this is 1 2 3. and this is A, B, C. You are onto means 1 is having A, 2 is having B, 3 is having B, 4 is having C. So here, what's the range here? You can say range is what here? A, B, C. What's the codomain? Codomain is this B only, no. So therefore codomain is also what we are having, A, B, C only. So here range equals to codomain. Codomain. Therefore it is what? Onto. Therefore it is onto. Whereas into means, again I am writing 1, 2, 3. Here I am writing A, B, C. 1 is mapping to A, 2 is mapping to A, 3 is mapping to B. So now you can see range is what here? What are the thing is mapped, that only the range. A, B only will come because C is not image of anyone. So therefore codomain is what here? Codomain is here A, comma B, comma C. So here range is not equal to codomain. Range is not equal to codomain. Therefore it is into function. So that you keep it in mind. Okay, these are all 4 important things. One now, each and every element have unique images. One element here, one element there. Many one now, 2 element having the same images. Onto na range equal to codomain. Into means range is not equal to codomain, or we can say range is a subset of codomain also we can say. Okay, so that you keep it in mind. Next we will go to the very important concept of inverse. See, inverse function. We have to discuss about inverse function. What is an inverse function? Means in short we'll write F inverse, like this writing na F inverse. Now what we have to do, if a function is that function, it should be 1 1 and it should be onto. It should be 1 1, it should be onto. Then we together we call it as bijective. We call it as a bijective. With bijective function we have inverse. That you keep it in mind. Okay. A function is having both 1 1 and onto na, then it's a bijective. Bijective na inverse will come. Other name for onto is injective function. Injective function we can say. Onto function we call it as a surjective. Surjective function we can say. So that you keep it in mind. Okay, this is the things we need to. Now come back to here, how I am going to say. Again I am writing arrow diagram. This is set A, this is B. From A to B there is a function F. A, B, C. And this is 1, 2, 3. A is mapping to 3, B is mapping to 1, C is mapping to 2. Now you tell me it's 1, 1. Yes, or onto. Tell me. 1, 1, because each and every element is what? Each and every element is unique element having unique image. Isn't it or not? Why? A is 3, B is 1, C is 2. Therefore it's a 1, 1. Next one. Next what? Onto. Range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. What's the codomain here and range here? Range is 1, 2, 3. Codomain is, therefore it's 1, 2, 3. Therefore it is a onto. Both are now we called as a bijective. Bijective means inverse exists. What's the inverse? Same. Here domain will become B, codomain become A. The function is F inverse. Ulta. 1, 2, 3 here. Here A, B, C. A is mapping to 3 now. 3 will map to A. B is mapping 1 na. 1 will map to B. Then C is mapping 2 na. 2 will map to C. This is inverse. Reverse you can write it. When it will exist now, only when if you are having what? 1 1 onto. If it is not 1 1 onto, you won't get inverse. How? You can check here. I just see this one. This is both 1 1 onto. Just now we have found. So each and every element unique and range equal to codomain. Inverse exists for this one. But here you can see, if you write a reverse, that is A I am writing. Here 1, 2, 3 is there. You can see 1 and 2 is mapping to A. Now A will map to 1, A will map to 2. Because of A is having 2 images. This is not at all a function. Not a function. So what will come? It is not a function. How inverse will exist? It is not possible. Same thing you can see here. B is having reverse ulta, you write it A B C. Here we are having 1 2 3 4. 2 and 3 map to B now. B will map 2 and 3. So for B is having two images. Therefore it is not a function. Not a function. Same thing here. You can see reverse, you write it here. A B C is there. And then here 1 2 3 is there. 1 and 2 map to 1 A. So this will come B map to 3 now. B map. But C is not having image. A is having two images. Therefore it is not a function. If it is not a function, how inverse will exist? It is not possible. That's why we are saying that to say inverse exists, what should be there? Definitely it should be 1 1 and onto. Then we'll say bijective. Then we will have inverse. If you write ulta, now you can check this is both 1 to 1 and onto. Therefore this is a function because each and every element having unique image, one image, and then no element left without image. So that's why we are saying this is what it's a function. Okay, that you keep it in mind. Next we'll see one problem. Exercise 1.3. The question is like that. Suppose that 120 students studying in 4 sections of 11th standard in a school. Let A denote the set of students and B denote the set of sections. Define a relation from A to B as X relates to Y if the student X belongs to the section Y. Is this relation is a function? What can you say about the inverse? Explain your answer, they are saying. So domain is here. This is domain, that is student. Okay, students. Codomain is here. Section. Sections here. Here how many students? 120 students are there. So I am going to write 120. Sections how many? 4. 1 2 3 4. You want A B C D also you can write, not issue. So each section is having how many? 4 section now. 4 now. 120 divided by 4. How much will come? 4 3s are 30 students in each sections. So 30 lines will be marked to what? This 30 lines will be section A. Remaining 30 students section B. Remaining 30 students third section. Remaining 30 student fourth section. So you can see each and every students belongs to any one section, isn't it? Any one section. Therefore it is function. It is function. In bracket you can write many one function. Many one function. Isn't it or not? Why it's a many one? Because 30 student belongs to one. 30 things are mapped to one section. That's why we are saying it's a many one function. So first answer is a function. Is a function. Since it's a many one, for you write for many one function. Many one function. What? For many one function, inverse won't exist. Won't exist. Isn't it? Just now we have shown. For 1 1 onto only inverse exists. It should be both bijective. That is 1 1 should be there. Then onto should be there. Together is there now. What will come? Inverse will exist. Since it's a many one, inverse won't exist. That's all about the answer for these questions. Okay. So that is the first question. Okay, next one, second question is that. What's the second question? Let's we check and we'll get. Next question you can see what they're saying. Write the value of f at -4 1 -2 7 0 is that. If f of x minus x plus 4. Analytical way, because here it is splitted the domain. So that's why we need to do this one. So we'll do it. First I will draw a number line. So definitely here 0, positive negative. Here minus infinite to -3 here, then -2 here, then +1 here, and 7 is that. This is the thing. That's all about this one. That you keep it in mind. First value is what? F of -4. F of -4. Where will be -4? Between -3 here will come. Here -4 will be there. So minus infinite to -3. Minus infinite. What's the function? -x plus 4. In place of x, what you need to do? -4. plus 4. So you can see minus into minus plus 4 plus 4 plus 8. That is the value of minus f. We got it right? Okay, next thing, f of 1. F of 1 we will calculate. Where is 1? Here. So you can see 1 is in both the places. Here also is there, here. But here less than, here it is equal to. Equal to is there. That's why equal to we can use here. So what's the function? X minus x square. So in place of x, what you need to? 1 minus 1 square. That is 1 minus 1. That is 0. What's the value of f of 1 is here? 0. That you keep it in mind. The next one. Next value is f of minus 2. F of minus 2 we have to get it. Where is minus 2? Minus 2 here. Again here minus 2 is both the places. Here less than is that equal to. So this you use x square minus x. So here x square minus x you can use. In place of x what you will do? Minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 to is 4. Minus into minus plus 2. So 4 plus 2 it's coming 6. For what? F of minus 2. So that answer we got it. Next one, what is the 7? F of 7. F of 7, where it is, you check 7 is here. So less than 7 na this one. But here is not less than 7 na greater than. Greater than na it will be 0 only. So directly you write 0 from function. No need to do anything. Next one is f of 0. F of 0. Where it will be 0 here, between minus 2 to 1. Minus 2 to 1, 0 will be there. What's the function? X square minus x. So here x square minus x will come. So here what will come? X square is 0 and minus 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. F of 0 is 0 here you can write. In this way we need to finish this one. I'll send exercise. Try to solve how much you can. That much you solve it. Inshallah we will see in the next class. Thank you. Wassalam.